Atlassian introduced Rovo for All at their 2025 team conference in California. This includes Rovo Search, Rovo Chat, and Rovo Studio. Since that announcement, Atlassian has introduced and is starting to roll out Rovo Dev. Let's take a look at what all of these different Rovo offerings are and how you can take advantage of them. Rovo Search is our first feature. This is accessible in two different places in Atlassian. The first one, most obvious, is the giant search bar at the top of your window. This is available across all Atlassian products and allows you to search through Jira, Confluence, and any other connected information. The second area that you can access Rovo Search is through the app switcher. So when you click the switcher, you can search through the list and find search down here. Again, search will find information across all Atlassian products, including Jira, Confluence, and more. In addition, your administrators can also connect third-party products via connectors. Connectors are managed through the Atlassian administration settings. On the side, if you click Apps, AI Settings, and then Rovo, you will see all of the available connectors that are currently connected, or you can click Add a Connector to browse through the available connection options listed. Atlassian is consistently introducing more connectors here, so come back frequently to see the new features. Each of these different connectors have different requirements for setup. In addition, some of these connectors have the ability to control what information is made available to Rovo. One great example is the Microsoft SharePoint connector, which allows you to determine what content is made available via a URL or a date range. One thing to note about connectors is that they respect privacy. When you connect something like Microsoft SharePoint, users are first going to need to authenticate using their Microsoft account before search results are provided to them via Rovo. That way, anything that's currently made private will remain private, and anything that user is able to access, Rovo will display to them accordingly. The next big feature is Rovo Chat. This is Atlassian's chat experience, similar to what you might get with Claude, ChatGPT, or Microsoft Copilot. You can access Rovo Chat in a couple of different ways. The first is via the Rovo button here in the bottom right of our window. This will open up a small little pop-up where you can talk with Rovo directly. The second area is the Ask Rovo button, which will open up that same view, just in a taller window so you can see more of the chat experience. The third way, again, is through our app switcher, where you can find the chat option listed. The chat option through the app switcher will bring you to a full screen experience where that's the only thing that you see. Rovo Chat lets you have a conversation with the AI. You can ask it questions, have a dialogue, and learn more about the tools and systems that you're using. In addition, you can leverage agents with Rovo Chat. By clicking this drop-down here where it says Rovo, we can see some recommended agents, or we can search for an agent if you know its name. In addition, you're able to browse all of the agents across your instance, some made by Atlassian, and some potentially made by other coworkers. This is a great segue into Rovo Studio. Rovo Studio is where agents are created. On this instance, I haven't created any myself, but I have the ability to browse agents via the Browse Agent button. This is going to show the same list of agents that we saw when looking at Rovo Chat. In addition, you're able to create your own agent. You can create agents for use across all Atlassian products, or some specific as virtual service agents for Jira Service Management. I'll go over the basics of how to create a Rovo agent in another video. Finally, the newest feature that Atlassian has introduced is Rovo Dev. Rovo Dev is focused on software developers and is generally accessed through a terminal or a software development environment. You need to manually install Rovo Dev, but once you do, it'll help you write code and generate software. Rovo has token costs like any other AI platform. Atlassian grants you a certain number of tokens based off of how many paid seats you have in their cloud products and at what tier you're subscribed. Tokens are consumed when you speak with Rovo Chat or when you use an agent. Using the deep research functionality, which breaks complex prompts into a more step-by-step research plan, uses more credits than traditional requests. Here you can see how many credits you get per paid user depending on the edition that you're subscribed to and the app that you're subscribed to. So as an example, if you're subscribed to Jira Standard, you get 25 Rovo credits per month per user. The second metric here are indexed objects. Indexed objects are the objects that you find when you're searching with connected applications. As a reminder, these are the different connectors that you can connect with Rovo. Each different searchable object, be it a document, a chat, an email, are generally going to consume one indexed object. And again, you get a certain number of indexed objects per user depending on the product and tier that you're subscribed to. As of filming, Atlassian is not currently enforcing usage quotas. That said, they will. I'll put a link to this page in the description so you can keep track of how many different indexed objects and Rovo credits you get per user, per app, per edition. You can also keep an eye on this page for any news as to when Atlassian is going to start enforcing these usage credits and provide information on how much consumption billing will be. Finally, administrators are able to keep track of their organization's Rovo usage through new insights information available in Atlassian administration. When you're in administration, on the left panel, navigate to Insights and then Platform Usage. Here, this is going to give you an overview of how many indexed objects and Rovo credits you have available to you in your subscription, as well as how many are currently being utilized either in total for indexed objects or monthly for Rovo credits. Additionally, Atlassian has introduced a Rovo Trends page that gives you insights into Rovo adoption across your organization, as well as agent usage. And there you have it. Those are the different features available using Atlassian's Rovo AI platform. Have fun exploring and see how Rovo AI can help enhance your productivity. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up.